Dear student, welcome back to our NIUS Home School. Hope you are safe and sound at home. This is Shiuly, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Mission School, morning shift. Dear student, today I am going to take your I.C.T class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic is Assignment 2. So today we will discuss Assignment 2, how you will write your Assignment 2. So let's get started our class. Student, it is your second assignment, that means assignment number 2, and subject information and communication technology, and you have to write, you have to prepare your assignment based on this chapter. So chapter name 2, chapter 2, and chapter's title name, instrument related to information and communication technology. Now lesson number and topics. So all these lessons are related to your assignment. So lesson number 1, instrument related to I.C.T, computer. Lesson 2, let's play computer. Lesson 3, input device. Lesson 4, memory and storage device. Lesson 5, processor and motherboard. Lesson 6, output device. Lesson 7, software. Lesson 8, application software. Lesson 9, some more machinery of information and communication technology. So with the help of these lessons, you have to prepare your assignment. Now come to the main point, assignment and assigned task. So now we will discuss this assigned task. Since the school is closed in Corona, you follow the classes broadcast on Parliament television to make up for your daily reading deficit. You also see the classes of other eminent teachers, including online classes conducted by your school. Student, you know, as your school is closed in Corona pandemic, you have to do your classes on online. So what device do you use to participate in these classes? So you have to write a report based on this topic, and what device do you use to participate in these classes. So what type of devices are you using to run your classes? You have to write about this. Make a list of them. You have to make a list of them and write the uses procedure. So after identifying which devices are you using in your classes, online classes, and you have to write the uses procedures of these instruments. Instructions: title, content presentation, appendix, name, class, role of report creator, and place, date and the time of the report. So at the last part of the report, you have to write, you have to mention place, date and the time of the report. Now this is your assessment criteria: excellent, very good, good, and need to progress. Now it is our mobile number, Shiuly Saha and Ariful Islam. If you will face any problem, you can contact with us by mobile phone or otherwise through messenger. Now here answer pattern. It is your answer pattern. Here I will show you how you will write your, how you will prepare your answer. You have to follow this format. Okay, at first you have to write to the headmaster. That means you have to address the headmaster, name your school's names, write your school's names, National Ideal English School, Monastery, Dhaka. Then you have to write here subject, a report. Subject will be a report on the use of technology for online classes during Corona. Then write, dear sir, most respectfully I am presenting the report title, a report on the use of technology for online classes during Corona. As per your order, memorandum nom NIUS 09/2021 published on 20 September 2011. So you have to follow this format when you will write your assignment. Then write use of technology in corona pandemic. You know that the whole world has come to a stand still due to our corona pandemic. So with the help of the technology, we are doing our daily necessary works using technology. So write something about using technology in corona pandemic and what types of works you are doing in this corona pandemic using technology. Then second point, you will write here internet technology, about something internet technology. Then you have to write use of technology in educational institutions. We know, student, we are doing our classes through television, mobile phone and computer, you know. So you have to write here these subjects, okay. Television, at first write about something television, mobile phone and computer and its uses procedure. And last part, write here reporter's name and address, that means your name and address, and class 6 roll, write here your roll and name of the recipient of the report, that means your class teacher's name. So student, I hope you have understood our today's topic. If you face any problem, you can contact with us by mobile phone or otherwise through messenger. Thank you all of you. See you in next class.